Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up company profile in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the key areas of your QuickBooks settings so your company details, preferences, and accounting framework are accurate from the start. Make sure you're signed in with admin access so you can see and edit everything we're about to cover. Begin on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top right and select the Settings gear icon. This opens the main setup panel. Choose Account and Settings to enter the area where your company profile and preferences live. Open the Company Info section. This is the home for your core business details. Click the highlighted Edit option to make changes. Review your company name, business address, and other profile fields, and add a logo if you want it to appear on sales forms. Keep these details consistent with how you present your business publicly. When you make updates, save before moving on so nothing is lost. Next, go to Legal Info. Here, confirm the legal name and other formal identifiers that appear on tax and compliance documents. These must match your official records exactly. Saving accurate legal information now prevents headaches later when you file taxes or send official forms. Head over to Customer Contact Info. These settings control what your customers see on invoices, estimates, and emails from QuickBooks. Verify the company email used for customer communications, the display phone number, and the address shown on your sales documents. Use a monitored inbox so replies don't get missed. Save your selections. Open the Usage section to review your plan's limits and current usage. This page helps you keep an eye on user counts and feature limits so you can plan ahead as your team grows. There's usually nothing to change here, but it's a useful snapshot. Move into Sales. Review preferences for invoices, estimates, product and service tracking, and delivery options. Set defaults that match how you sell, such as including custom messages or turning on online delivery settings. Save each change as you go. Go to Expenses. Confirm how you handle bills, purchase orders, and expense categories. Choose the options that reflect your approval process and whether you track billable expenses to customers. Save to lock in your preferences. Finally, open Accounting. Set your first month of the fiscal year, choose the accounting method your business uses, and consider closing the books for completed periods to prevent accidental edits. If you're unsure, check with your accountant before finalizing. Save, then select Done. That's it. Your company profile and core preferences in QuickBooks Online are now configured. Revisit these sections anytime your business details or workflows change.